day again, 1st of October. Bonkers, absolutely bonkers. Beautiful. You can't help but feel good. Lovely places like this, guys. Folkestone. Beautiful. Well, good morning, Skye. How we doing? This is a very quick video, guys, just to keep you in the loop what we're doing. Still here down at lovely Folkestone. It's been beautiful down there, really enjoyed it. It's a good place to be stuck, to be honest, and we are stuck at the moment. I can still move it around, but I've got to sort this alternator out. I think I'm 4 nights here, and it's been lovely. Met some lovely local people. Met Andy and Nicola yesterday, who popped to see me, a lovely couple that follow my channel, which is absolutely lovely, and they've offered me their services of filling up the water and give me advice on a local garage, which I may have to resort to, guys, to get this alternator sorted, which is a bit of a pain in the butt, but I'm going to put the old one back in today and see if that shorts out, because it may be the new alternator's faulty. I can't see it myself, but anyway, it's glorious down here on the Kent coast. Absolutely lovely. Still on my old SE phone. I'm still waiting for that delivery to the Amazon locker of the new phone screen for my vlogging phone. And it's the 1st of September today. Whoopie bloody doo day. 1st of September, Skye. And we're still sunbathing. Got the solar rocking as well, guys. Again for the 4th down the trot. And look, it's the 1st of September. And all the doggies are on the beach. I've never seen so many people on the beach in the 4 days I've been here. September today, and the dogs are allowed on the beaches 1st of September on most beaches throughout the UK. There's loads of doggies down there. There you go, guys. That's just a quick update for you at the moment. But I'm still enjoying it. It's okay. I've got issues, and it's a bit of a nightmare, a bit of a bleeding headache, to tell you the truth. But that's Vanlifer. We'll get it sorted one way or the other. Andy and Nicola recommended a local garage down at, I think it's Hive, where I can pop to should I have to, but it's the last resort. I don't really want to do that, because obviously that's going to cost a lot more money to do that. If I can just get it diagnosed, I can fix it myself. But as I say, I'll pop out that new alternator, put in the old alternator, see if I get a dead short on the live wire with that one, which I doubt it. I don't know, it's a really weird one. It is a really weird one. Electrics are really funny, aren't they? Especially in these old vans, guys. And they're even more of a nightmare in the new vans, because you need diagnostic systems, don't you? You can't touch the new ones. Anyway, we'll crack on. I'm still feeling positive. We're still rocking and rolling. Still enjoying life, even though I'm not moving about much. But lovely place to be stuck in. I highly recommend Folkestone. It's a lovely place, and the locals are lovely as well. Right, crack on with the day. I'll get under the engine again for the next few hours. Try and sort that out. I'll let you know how I get on, guys. I've got about 4 or 5 videos from the last 2 weeks, guys, before my iPhone was smashed. All the media's on my iPhone, smashed iPhone. Until I get that repaired, I can't upload them. So I'm going a little bit behind on my videos now, but I'm trying to keep you updated with my old SE phone that I'm on at the moment. At least we're keeping in communication with you, which is good. I can keep in touch with you guys, which is lovely. So as soon as my iPhone's fixed, I'll get that media sorted and get those videos uploaded. They will be behind a little bit now, but we'll soon catch them up. I'll probably pump a video out every day just to catch up as soon as I get my iPhone fixed. There we go, guys, the traumas and dramas of living in a van. We love it, we really love it. You know, you feel down sometimes, but you just look out the window, you go for a little walk along the beach, and you're feeling good again. Hope you're all having a cracking Sunday, guys. Have a lovely day. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Get out there, guys. It's beautiful. 1st of October, and we're still sunbathing. Bunkers. All right, Skye. Say ta-ra, Skye. Say ta-ra. Say ta-da. Don't know whether you can see there in the dark, guys. Thanks for your support, and we'll catch you on the next update or the next video once I get my iPhone fixed. Later, guys. Ta-da.